Well, back in the big bus again. Woo. Heading to QMP. I think this is the first ever motocross track episode, mate. And we are on the big WR450. See how she cops a few jumps. Let's go. Can you hurry up and do this online sign-on thing?
No, I can't.
We're at the track, waiting for him.
Some of us had to drive.
Hey, BJW!
How you been dirty?
Oh.
The factory boys are here. Right?
We're out here for some laps.
Patrol.
Little big patrol. The red.
Heaps of bastards here.
We're gonna win.
Me.
I think I'm gonna get the outright if I don't get arm pump.
I already got it. Arm pump, not the outright.
Got Rassic in the house. Tom borrowed Boots Kruger. And BJW. We're gonna throw down some whippies on the enduro bikes, eh? Some big whippies. We're gonna go motocrossing on the headlights.
It is today.
Are you ready for a lap?
No whippies and chibbies on this one.
No.
Nah, we're scrubs and dubs.
Scrubs and dubs.
I've tweaked my leg and I've bent my lever over my fingers. With
straight
just
scrubs and-
muscle, fist gloves, you'll never break a finger. You'll just bend a lever.
That's it, eh?
That's it, mate.
All day at QMP. Oh, I didn't get much of a scoop there. Oh. Good day riding, boys.
Good day. Stayed on it.